Let me show you how to make this tuna steak in the air fryer. All you need are 3 ingredients: the mesquite seasoning or seasoning of choice, the tuna of course, and the breadcrumbs. This tuna was frozen and I thawed it out, and that's why the color is like that. But this was fresh, it was just put in the freezer. All we have to do is coat the tuna first with oil so the seasoning will stick into it. Again, I'm using McCormick mesquite, grilled mesquite seasoning, but you could use any seasoning, whichever you want. But this one was really good. It has a kick to it, so if you like a little bit spicy, this one is good for you. I'm going to provide a link down below where you could get it in Amazon. After that, coat this with the breadcrumbs. This is just a regular breadcrumbs, no flavoring, but you could use the Italian breadcrumbs, whatever you have handy. I'm going to cook this in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 4 minutes. Now, if you want this raw, like a little bit crust in the outside but raw in the inside, you could stop on 4 minutes for 400 degrees. But I want the tuna steak to be well done, so I'm gonna put this back in the air fryer. Flip this on the other side, put this back in the air fryer, cook it on 400 degrees for additional 5 minutes. Again, only if you want it well done, which I do like, because I don't want it to be too fishy, and that's the best way to do it. Let me show you what well done is for me. There's probably gonna be people that don't like the way how I cook this, but this is how I like. If you like tuna and you want it cooked but still raw in the inside a little bit, just like this, then cook it the way I cook it in the air fryer. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Let me know if you want to see more of this kind of video. We'll see you next time. Ciao.